The mirrorless camera was originally heralded as the smaller, lighter, more convenient alternative to the DSLR. However, if you look at the latest mirrorless cameras from Canon, Nikon, and, to a lesser extent, Sony, that hasn't really played out. Let's look at why. Canon's new flagship mirrorless camera, the EOS R5, weighs just shy of 26 ounces and measures 5.43 by 3.84 by 3.46 inches. The company's closest equivalent DSLR, the 5D Mark IV, weighs 31.4 ounces and measures 5.94 by 4.57 by 2.99 inches. While there's definitely a difference in the R5 is lighter and smaller, in most dimensions, it's not exactly night and day. Then, of course, you also have to add a lens. The Canon EOS R5 with a long lens attached. The Canon EOS R5 is not a small camera after you add a lens. Canon, if you put an RF24 to 105mm f/4 is USM lens, 24.5 ounces, on the R5, and an f24 to 105mm f/4 is 2 lens, 28.1 ounces, on the 5D. Their total weights increase to 50.4 and 59.5 ounces, respectively. You'll feel the difference if you hold both of them simultaneously. However, neither is a particularly light setup, in fact, they're pretty similar. But, here's the real kicker. The RF24-105 and f24-105 are similarly sized and performing lenses. One of the biggest advantages of mirrorless cameras is they use brand new lens mounts, so manufacturers can make even better lenses. The mirrorless replacement for the incredibly popular f24-70 f/2.8 liters 2 USM lens, 28.4 ounces, is the RF28-70 f/2.0 liters USM, which weighs an utterly ridiculous 50.4 ounces. Put that on an R5, and the total weight is 4.75 pounds compared to 3.74 pounds of the 5D and its 24 to 70mm lens. Now, the mirrorless camera rig weighs more,